It's time for my favorite part of the show, the extreme product test. Today, I'm testing out the F-Wave Revia Synthetic Shingle. Now, this product has a Class 4 hail rating, but more than that, it has a hail warranty, 5 years in fact. Well, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you what Class 4 hail does to a bunch of other objects that you'll find around a DFW household. And then I'm going to show you what that hail does to the Revia shingle. These are all of the things that we're going to launch the hail cannon at, but on top of that, we're going to launch it at a traditional asphalt shingle and a Revia shingle. I've got a feeling I know how this is going to turn out.
I think so. Firing. 3, 2, 1.
If you get hail like that at your house, you're gonna know. And if you have a traditional asphalt shingle roof, you're gonna need to replace it. But if you have Revia, it's a different story. You might still need a new grill, but at least your house is okay. And that's the main point.